Hello, my name is Vicki LaRoe from Create and Adorn. Thank you for selecting this video. On this channel, we are all about jewelry making, showing you different ways and sharing ideas for you to be able to create beautiful modern jewelry from home. Each week, I share new designs and talk about new jewelry making products or materials, maybe share some tips and techniques from my multiple decades in the jewelry making industry. So if you would rather spend Saturday night at the bead shop than the bar, this is the channel for you, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. Each week, I do share new designs. They're available as kits that you can purchase the kit if you like, or if you have some of the materials, you can purchase just individual materials that I use making the kits, or just if you have all the materials and just need the instructions, you can download the instruction sheets. They're full color sheets that have step-by-step instructions that show you how your jewelry should look at each step along the way. So there's multiple options out there for you, or just sit back and enjoy being inspired by these new designs. So we do have two new designs in celebration kind of for Valentine's Day, and I have a few new items that I want to share. So the first kit or new design, this is our Pearl Party necklace, and actually quite long, but I pinned it to this board. And I'll kind of try to get close up in the camera. See, these little dangles are just darling with the little pearls and the cap dangle that dangles kind of inside there. So this is in the gray and white, but for Valentine's Day, I have it available in the pink and gray. Isn't that pretty? So same thing, done a little dangle there, and then we've done this beautiful kind of rosy, pinky color with the beautiful tassel. And this is pretty long. It's like 30 inches long. You could, of course, adjust it to make it however long you want it, but it's very pretty as a long tassel. So that is one of the new designs and new kits. Another one that I've made before that I love sharing here is this little gem drop bracelet. I think it's woven gem drop is what it is, because it has this little drops of black spinel and crystal quartz that are woven into this chain, and it's just a beautiful little bracelet. In celebration of Valentine's Day, though, we have it in garnet. So here it is in garnet and silver, and it's maybe hard to see in the camera, but it's woven. It's intricate chains that are woven with the little gem drops in there, the cone finish, and the clasp, and it's just darling. So, right, you don't have to make the little drops. They come already like that, and you weave them in there. And I also have a gold version I'm still working on, but it'll be available on the website. And I think the Pearl Party one, I think is $38.50, and this little bracelet is $19.50. Use discount code LAUNCH10 to save 10%. Free shipping for all orders over $20. But some new products that just went up on the website that I used a little bit of in these designs are our Satin Findings. I'm going to tip the camera down just a little. And I've carried these before, but not all these, and not online. And so they're just beautiful. Little ball head pins, these flower caps, these rings. This clasp is brand new. It's really gorgeous. And there's more up-close pictures online. And I'll be expanding more and more of this. I love carrying them. And there's a few pendants and some pieces of jewelry I've made with them. But the reason I love this line so much, and these little earrings use that satin ring as well, is because of the satin finish. It's a very high quality finding. I've carried it for a very long time. I've had really good success with the plating doesn't wear off. So it has a lot of longevity. But I love the satin finish. It looks so much more elevated and high-end, expensive. But also, it's tricky to match metal colors. Silver's easier, but golds vary a lot. And when you use something like the satin finish and change the texture, that will tend to blend with other colors of gold easier than trying to match. Golds can be very yellow or almost kind of silvery looking. We call that silver. But a lighter, all the way to dark. And so you really can't mix them. Like silver, you can get away with a little bit more, but gold are tricky. So I love the color of gold these come in. It's a really light, beautiful color. And I'm going to show you a quick little earring I made with these. And I'm going to do the other one real quick. Come on camera, that is just the rings, the ear wire, and this little textured chain that I had last week and still have. It's online, right? These little textured chains. It's a beautiful, beautiful chain that almost looks like that satin finish also, but you can open the links like jump rings. So this earring could not be easier. Where's the pliers? Okay. So this, right, the little links open. One day I'll figure out this camera thing, but they open, right, like a little jump ring. So you'd open it to the side. So I have it open. I'm gonna hook on that one ring, the second ring, and then one more of the little chain links. Close that up flush. And these are so thick that once you line them up flush, they're not opening again, right? They're hardy. So it's not like other jump rings where you might have them open or things get through. It does not happen. Then, where's my ear wire? I love these ear wires too. The design is so pretty. My hand's going to be in the way. I'm going to use a plier. Let's see if I can show that. But I love a ball ear wire that has a little ball finish at the end. But these are flattened and they're just bigger and prettier. They, again, look more elevated and updated than like traditional shepherd hooks or French wires. Those are kind of, they make your jewelry look dated, I think. And using a new modern ear wire is just an easy way to elevate your jewelry. So I'm just opening that little ball front and closing it up, and there being that matching earring was made in, 10 seconds. And they're beautiful, right? They're stunning. It's a big, lovely earring that's very light. That was, these rings are 95 cents, like under $6 for sure. And they're stunning. And you could dangle something too. You could do a little dangle on a head pin on one of these beautiful ball head pins. I love these ball head pins. So, and tons more options. I love this line. All of them, again, very inexpensive. Range from 50 cents to up to $1.95. So, lots of options. So those are our new kits. Our Pearl Party, our Gem Drop Bracelet. Use launch 10 to save 10%. And one thing I was going to mention, and right, all of our members always get the instruction sheets for free. I'm not going to go on about the membership on every video, but it's a really great deal. The instruction sheets for these projects, the members get those automatically in their inbox just for being a part of the membership. But in every single design that I do, every kit, and I mentioned before, these are all exclusive designs. You won't see them anywhere else. But also, I always have one element of the design that's not so obvious, right? So part of being able to have either the instruction sheet or the kit, where the members get the video tutorial that goes with it, FYI, is saving time and product, right? So one little thing I'm going to show you here, but in future I won't. These little dangles, right, where that pearl has that beautiful cap and dangles, it looks like it dangles off the ring, but it doesn't. it dangles off the loop from this component. Why? Because, and see, in this component, that last loop is not connected to the ring. Only this loop from this dangle connects them both. The reason is if you connect this to the ring and then dangle that, it's going to hit the bottom of the ring. It's not going to freely flow and dangle, right? So when you're making this, you don't connect that wire wrap loop to this. This loop connects to that and connects them so that hangs. Does that make sense? Anyway, it's one of those things that until you made it, like if you saw it, we're trying to make it kind of on your own, you'd waste an entire head pin and wire figuring that out. And every single kit I have has something like that. Just that's not so obvious. So that's why they're really unique designs and really, you know, high quality, beautiful pieces. So that's this week's video. Thank you for joining me. I also did a video with my new Precious palette that's also out for Valentine's Day called Love Reigns. It's a beautiful, beautiful mix. You can check that video out or check them all online. Thank you for watching. Now go forth and sparkle brightly like the star that you are.